they circle it. So we give them the empty box and they circle it. Wagwan this and that family, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Trisha, and of course you know what to do, right? Like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the post notification bell. Alright, so today I sat here and I'm thinking about, just being a Jamaican teacher and how challenging it is for us sometimes. But I want to focus on the positive side of being a Jamaican teacher. Because being a Jamaican teacher, it teaches you to be creative. Because we know that most of the materials that we use in the classroom are not used on a government give it. Government do not give us the materials to teach our lessons. We have to do what we call improvisation. We have to do what we call turn your hand and make fashion. So for each lesson, you are looking around your house literally and you are seeing, what can I use to teach this lesson? Sometimes we might send home and say, parents, send this. Parents, send that. And the parents will send it. But being a Jamaican teacher, you have to be very creative. And you find yourself using things to teach that you never ever thought that you would use to teach. Alright, so I was here. Let me give you an example. Let me try if we make this stand up. Stand up, don't move. Alright, so I was here and I saw this box of cornflakes that I bought last night. And I'm not promoting cornflakes. And because I am doing classes with my students and I'm trying to reinforce some of what I teach that some of them don't get. So I try to use things that they're accustomed to. So we know that children love cornflakes. So I'm looking at this box and I'm saying, how can I use it to teach? So I started teaching the letter S. Look on the box, letter S. So that's one of the first things that we could do with our children, right? All right, boys and girls, look on this box. You're going to search and see if you find the letter S and you're going to circle it. So we give them the empty box and they circle it. Or we can let them have a scissors and cut out the letter S. So right on the front of the box here, you can see letter S and you can see S, right? So they will find it, S, circle it. And of course, even in the fine print here, so you can take them on a journey. Find the letter S and circle it, and so on and so forth. So they will go around and they will circle it. Another thing that you could do with this cornflakes box if you're teaching the letter S. So when I teach a letter S, I normally do a little story. And I let the children help me to make up names. So there was this little boy, right? And we want to give him a name that begins with the letter S, right? All right, so they will give me names. So we're going to work with Sam. His name is Sam. Now, Sam had a dog. Let us give the dog a name with the letter S too. Give me a name. Right? All right. So, say for example, they give me Sally. All right. So, Sam had a dog named Sally. Sam had a stick. Right? And we can use a piece of stick. You can go outside and get a piece of stick and come inside the classroom. All right. So, Sam was out there. He went out in the yard. He went over the part where there were many bushes and he was playing with Sally. And while he was playing with Sally, one of the things that he normally does, he normally throws an object and then Sally would run after the object. So he had the stick and he threw the stick over in the grass. Yeah? So he threw the stick, Sally run, and Sally run. And he run after the stick. But when he run after the stick, he saw something in the grass going like, and it was making this sound. So Sam went over to look what caused Sally to be barking so much. Sally was barking. When he went over there, he saw a snake. He was so surprised. So he ran inside to his mother. Now the name of Sam's mother is Sarah, and he said, Mommy, we went over and I was playing with Sally and we saw a snake in the bush and the snake was going like this, Mommy. So right there and then, I get the children to form the letter S. Yes, man. So they will form out the S and they will know the sound. So they're doing it in the ear. So what could you do with this old bag? The old box. Have the children draw a big snake and help them to cut it out and decorate it. So you see, we can use so many things around the home. Yeah, and we have to do it because for a lesson like that, it would be ideal if you have a snake puppet. But what many of us teachers do, we normally go online and buy things. And some teacher paying class out of their pockets, you know. Yes, man. Some teachers are going their class, they spend half of their salary. But that's the single teachers, not the one who have one pitney in a university and all kind of responsibility. Alright? So, cut out the letters, or we could cut out the shape of a snake. And every time that you're teaching, because while we teach, we are reinforcing. So every time that you are reinforcing the letter S, you pull out the snake and you say, what sound does the letter S make? And have them. Letter S says, and guess how teacher go improvise now? So say for example, teacher never want to use the box to cut out a snake or to find a letter S, the box become a jump. Letter S says, letter S says, every letter makes a sound, the S says, the snake is in the grass, 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 snake is in the grass, every letter makes a sound, the snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. Right, or you have this one that they love, you know. Here we go again, and they will say, here we go again, same old sound again, same old sound again. Let me hear the S sounds. Sandra make the S sounds. Call the children name. Josh make the S sounds. Abigail make the S sounds. Ta make the S sound. So as Jamaican teachers, we have to be very, very creative. Now, I want any one of you who want me to spend time teaching your children. I am very good at helping them to write and read, and I have some decent strategies. Please contact me at trishawilliams@yahoo.com. That's TREISHAWILLIAMS@yahoo.com. I hope I remember to put that down in the description when I'm putting it there. But trishawilliams@yahoo.com, and I will do one-on-one with your children. And I'm not very expensive, so just reach out to me and we can talk about it. But yes, as teachers, no, not a lesson where we can teach using this cornflakes box right here. What is the shape? Right? Rectangle. Right? 2 long sides and 2 short sides. That's for the babies. Right? I guess this is what? A cuboid? I think this would be a cuboid for the bigger one, but for the babies, this is a rectangle. So you let them count the longer side, and then now they could run their fingers against it so they could see that this side is long, and then they say how many sides does a rectangle have, and they would count 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And they can identify the long side, and then you can tell them, look around in the classroom, or if you're at home and you're teaching, look around in the home, tell me some things that are rectangular in shape. The refrigerator, the table, so many things that have a rectangle shape. right? So as Jamaican teachers, we have to be very, very creative and we have to improvise, right? I sure hope you enjoy this lesson here, because I'm gonna give you many other lessons and I'm gonna tell you how you can use different things around the home to teach your children. All right, let me hear the S sounds. Boys make the S sounds, girls make the S sounds. Anyway, Jamaican this, Jamaican that. You wanna know Jamaican chat? It's bye for now and see you in our next video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share and subscribe. I love you and share this video with another parent. Share it with somebody so they can come over on the channel, because I'm going to be posting more and I'm going to be posting ideas where you can use things around the home to do. Bye.